Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Google Authenticator verification on the Expert Option Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Expert Option Trading application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your homepage, from which you can start trading right away. Now, if you wish to enable Google Authenticator verification, then to do this, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. You can then tap on Profile and now press Security at the bottom right corner. Now within the security page, you will see the two-factor authentication section. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the Add button at the top. You now have the option to add your email address or your Google Authenticator as the two-factor authentication. Choose the Google Authenticator option, and if you haven't already downloaded the app, you can tap on the download button to install the application. After the application is installed, tap on the next button from this page, and you will be provided the security code that you will need to paste within the Google Authenticator app. So press the plus button within the application and then choose Enter a setup key. Now within the code name section, just type in Expert Option and then paste your key within the Your Key section. Finally, press the Add button, and now your authenticator has been added to the Google Authenticator app for Expert Option. Now just press the 6-digit PIN code that you see for Expert Option app, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Now just enter this 6-digit code within the confirmation box, and now your Google Authenticator app has successfully been added as your two-factor authentication. Now every time you log into your account, you will need to enter the security key from the Google Authenticator app. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable Google Authenticator verification on the Expert Option Trading application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.